Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the One Rode DEN 200 in-ear metallic wired headphones. This is a pretty simple box actually. You can see a lot of information on it. One Rode written right here, DEN 200, that's the model number. It has a lightweight design, has magnetic ear tips, we'll find out soon enough. There's some extra specifications here as well. The speaker size is 10 millimeters. It has a frequency range of 20 to 20,000 Hz, which is pretty standard. Impedance of 16 ohms, a sensitivity of 110 decibels. And it also has a cable length of 120 centimeters and comes with a 3.5 mm jack. Let's quickly open this up and see what other stuff we can find inside. So what the headphones look like. What else is there in the box? There you go. This is the warranty card. You can scan this QR code to go to the website. Actually, the website address is given right here. So let's keep this on one side and let's take a look at the product itself. These are some extra ear tips, silicone ear tips. Let's take them out and put them over here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, basically 2 pairs. Seems to be one is large and other is small, I'm assuming. So let's keep them right here. Let's get rid of this plastic. This is what the headphone looks like. Okay, it's taped here. Let me just get rid of the tape first. So this is what the One Rode DEN 200 in-ear metallic earphones, or headphones rather, look like. As mentioned earlier, the heads are magnetic, so you can see it locks pretty well. There's an angled nozzle design. I don't know if you can see this. There's a slight angle to it. I hold it like this, maybe then you will be able to see. Yeah, there's a slight angle to it, but they're not really called angled nozzles, so there you go. There's an inline remote here which has volume controls and a mic as well. And if you can see this, there you go, inline volume control. The One Rode tag is also quite visible right over here. This is your L-shaped gold-plated 3.5 millimeter jack at the other end rather. So yeah, that's it. That's what you'll find inside the One Rode DEN 200 in-ear metallic wired headphone. Thank you for watching.